This guy Raul, not his real name, I made him up, got paid $50 to redesign a PowerPoint. Did he open PowerPoint? Absolutely not. He used Gamma.app, pasted in the info, clicked a few buttons and boom! Corporate masterpiece. Time spent 10 minutes, effort slight finger movement, money earned $50. Your excuses rapidly disappearing. You ever make a song without knowing how to play an instrument? Now you can. With Suno AI, you literally type, make a chill beat about robots and ramen. And in like 3 minutes, it spits out a banger. People are selling these tracks for $100+ to YouTubers, podcasters, and that one friend who thinks he's a DJ. So yeah, AI makes music, you make money. You still can't dance though, sorry. There's a girl named Taylor Couch, real name, real legend. She makes £20,000 a month running a Faceless YouTube channel with cafe music. How? She uses AI to write scripts, InVideo to make the video, and YouTube to send her checks. She literally uploads relaxing jazz, and relaxes while getting paid. Meanwhile, you're arguing with strangers on Reddit. Podcasters hate writing show notes, and that's where you come in, with AI backup. Open Descript, upload the episode, let AI transcribe it, summarize it, and boom, you just made $25 to $55. One dude on Reddit said he knocks out 3 a night while eating Hot Pockets. That's gourmet hustle right there. Let's be honest. You're not doing this because you think, you need to be techie. You don't. You missed the wave. You didn't. Or maybe you're just vibing in analysis paralysis. I feel you. But if you've got 30 minutes and a phone, you've got a shot. Pick one, do it badly, get better, make money, repeat. These are real tools, real people, real money. And no one's asking you to quit your job and become a hustle bro. Just take 30 minutes a day and stack wins. This is CashGPT, where AI meets your side hustle dreams. Subscribe now, before AI takes over everything, including this voiceover.